Every crypto cycle has that one hidden gem, that one project everyone ignored at first, until it exploded. You know the story. A few people recognize the potential early, they accumulate quietly.
If you really want to become wealthy in the future, buy some Bitcoins, put it in a goddamn wallet.
And then one day the project gets listed on Binance, and suddenly the whole market wakes up. Charts go vertical, trading volume explodes, and the early believers become the next success stories. Right now, we might be standing at one of those moments again, because there's a new name quietly making waves across the crypto scene, Stbl. It's not a meme coin, not another overhyped DeFi token. It's something much more powerful, a real-world asset-backed stablecoin protocol with one of the most innovative mechanisms the industry has seen in years. And if you're paying attention, this could be your shot to catch it before the crowd does. Let's talk about what makes Stbl different. See, most stablecoins today, USDT, USDC, DAI, are designed to hold value, but they don't create it. You park your money there, and it just sits. No yield, no growth, no innovation. Stbl completely flips that logic. It introduces something called a yield-splitting mechanism, and this is where everything changes. Here's how it works. When you deposit high-quality real-world assets, things like tokenized US treasuries or money market funds, you receive a stablecoin called USST. But here's the genius part. Instead of losing the yield from those assets, you keep a separate yield claim. So while your principal is tokenized as USST and ready to use anywhere in DeFi, your yield continues to accumulate in the background. It's like getting to spend your money and still earn on it at the same time. Imagine paying for something using your stablecoin while your original assets keep generating returns for you. It's the perfect fusion of liquidity and productivity, something no other major stablecoin offers at this scale. That's the type of innovation Binance loves to spotlight. Binance has always had an eye for projects that don't just follow trends but create them. Think about it, when Binance first listed BNB chain projects, when it supported the rise of launchpads, or when it backed the wave of DeFi in 2021, each time, it pushed the entire industry forward. And this time, Binance's focus is shifting again, toward real-world asset tokenization. RWA tokenization is not just another crypto buzzword. It's the next frontier of global finance, connecting real-world economic value to blockchain liquidity. We're talking about trillion-dollar markets, government bonds, real estate, treasury yields, all coming on-chain. That's because once this project takes off, once it breaks through that wall of recognition and enters mainstream visibility, the days of buying 20,000 Stbl cheaply will be long gone. And when that happens, the ones who believed early will be the ones smiling quietly, watching their portfolios glow while the rest of the world scrambles to catch up. Stbl isn't just another stablecoin, it's the blueprint for the next generation of decentralized finance. So if you understand what's coming, if you can read the signs of where the market is moving, then you already know what to do. Buy 20,000 Stbl now. Hold it, wait. Because when innovation meets opportunity, that's when fortunes are made. And Stbl is shaping up to be that opportunity. Now, let's dive deep into the full details of Stbl. The Stbl TGE marks the launch of a 3-token ecosystem founded by Reeve Collins, co-founder of Tether, featuring USST, a stablecoin backed by US treasuries, YLD, a yield token, and Stbl, a governance token. The project raised pre-seed funding led by Wave Digital Assets, which manages over $1 billion. Stbl's native token is now listed on Binance Alpha and Kraken. The Binance Alpha launch will occur on September 13th, and Alpha Points holders will receive early access via an airdrop. Stbl introduces a yield-splitting model. Users mint USST using real-world assets, retain yield through YLD, and participate in governance via Stbl. This contrasts with older stablecoins, where yield was kept solely by issuers. Following the launch, the Stbl token surged. It rose over 300%, reaching a price of approximately 20 cents. It has a circulating supply of 500 million Stbl and a market cap of around $100 million. The project is rolling out in phases with plans for enhanced governance features, cross-chain interoperability for USST, and staking mechanisms. There is an insufficient price history for Stbl, so price predictions should be taken with caution. The Stbl price hit its all-time high of 22 cents on September 16th and has traded inside an ascending parallel channel since. Stbl reached a new all-time high of 24 cents today, but failed to break out from the channel's resistance trend line. Therefore, it is unclear if the upward movement is corrective or not. The positive sign is that Stbl has reclaimed the $0.190 horizontal area and confirmed it as support. Whether the Stbl token price breaks down from this support or bounces is key to determining the trend. A successful bounce could cause a retest of the channel's resistance at 25 cents, while a breakdown could take Stbl down to the channel's support at 14 cents.